Dear students, in the previous class, we have discussed about Boyle's law, Charles' law, Avogadro's law, and relative atomic mass. Then finally, carbon plus oxygen give carbon dioxide. How many gram is there in the carbon dioxide molecule? Now we can move a new topic, new term, gram atomic mass. GAM, gram atomic mass. Now, what is 1 GAM? Gram atomic mass. See, each element, when we take its own atomic mass weight or gram, it will contain 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. This number or this much of atoms is called 1 GAM. For example, if we take 12 gram of carbon, that is the atomic weight of carbon is 12 gram. So when we take 12 grams of carbon, it contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. In the case of oxygen, the atomic weight of oxygen is 16 gram. It also contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. കുട്ടികളെ ഓരോ എലിമെൻറ്റും അതിൻ്റെ അറ്റോമിക ഭാരം എടുത്താൽ കാർബണിൻ്റെ അറ്റോമിക ഭാരം 12 ഗ്രാം ആണ്, ഓക്സിജൻ്റേത് 16 ഗ്രാം ആണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ 12 ഗ്രാം ഓഫ് കാർബൺ നമ്മൾ എടുത്താൽ അതിൽ 6.022 ഇൻറ്റു 10 ടു ദ പവർ ഓഫ് 23 ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. ഓക്സിജൻ്റെ എടുത്താലും അതുപോലെ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. സോ ദാറ്റ് number, that is called 1 GAM. Let us see. Carbon, atomic weight of carbon is 12 gram. So it contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Like oxygen, 16 gram, that also contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. This is called 1 GAM. So, in shortly we can say that carbon 12 gram contain 1 GAM. Oxygen, single oxygen, it is an atom. So, single oxygen contain 1 GAM. Let us see if 24 gram of carbon contain how many GAM? Carbon is an atom here. So, one carbon contain 12 gram. So, here it is 24 gram. That is equal to 24 by 12. That is equal to 2 GAM. That is equal to 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. In this manner, we can calculate nitrogen and other atoms. That is, if we give 42 gram of nitrogen, 80 grams of oxygen, how we can calculate? Let us see. In the case of 42 grams of nitrogen, how many GAM is there? The atomic weight of nitrogen is 14 gram. So, 42 by 14, that is equal to 3 GAM, or 3 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. In the case of 80 grams of oxygen, 80 grams of oxygen, how many GAM? 80 divided by 16. This 16 is the atomic weight of oxygen. That is equal to 5 GAM. In this manner, we can calculate the GAM of the given atom. This type of small questions you can expect in the exam. Okay. Now we can move to another term, mole. See, what is one mole? That is, what is one mole? Mole is a unit which is used to express the weight of an atom. Okay, the number. So here 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. ആറ്റംസിനെ അളക്കാൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന യൂണിറ്റാണ് മോൾ. 1 mole is equal to 6.02. This is also called Avogadro number. That is, we have studied. Okay. So 1 mole, it is the unit. Usually in higher classes, how many moles of atom is there? How many moles of carbon? How many moles of oxygen? It is expressed in that manner. Okay. So don't forget, mole is the unit to express the weight of an atom or the number of atom, and 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Okay. Now we can move to another term, gram molecular mass. In the previous time we have seen that GAM. Now we are moving to see what is GMM, gram molecular mass. What is 1 GMM? In the same manner as we calculated GAM, GMM also calculated in the same manner. The difference is that in the previous case we are discussing about atom, here it is molecule. Only that difference. Let us see H2. It is a molecule. What is molecule? When more than 2 atoms combine together or more than 1 atom combine together, it becomes a molecule. What is molecule? When more than 1 atoms combine together, it becomes a molecule. Maybe 2 atoms, maybe 3 atoms combine together to form a compound. Sulfuric acid, NH3, ammonia, all these are molecules. Now here H2 is a molecule. So what is the molecular mass of hydrogen here? 2 gram, because 2 hydrogen atoms are there. 1 hydrogen atom has 1 gram, 2 hydrogen atom 2 gram. This is the molecular mass. So this also contain 1 GMM, or how many molecules? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Okay. In the same manner, in the case of nitrogen, the molecular weight of nitrogen is 28 gram. This also contain 1 GMM. That is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. In the previous case, we say that atoms. In this case, it is molecule. Okay. In the same manner, we can also calculate water molecule, sulfuric acid molecule. All in this manner we can calculate. Let us see another small question, small mathematical problem. How many GMM present in 64 gram of oxygen? That is 64 gram of oxygen. Here oxygen is a molecule, O2. So 1 oxygen atomic weight is 16. So oxygen molecule means 32 gram. It is the molecular weight. So how many GMM present in 64 gram? That is 64 divided by 32, that is equal to 2 GMM, that is equal to 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. In this manner, we can also calculate the GMM of water, sulfuric acid, whether it is given in this much of gram. If it is 36 grams of water, like that they may give. So we can calculate it in this manner. Okay.